Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. So let's start with today's session. When we hear the term corporate crime, we often imagine huge scams, billion-dollar frauds, or powerful executives being arrested. But corporate crime is not always dramatic or visible. It includes bribery, corruption, data theft, financial fraud, fake certifications, unsafe workplaces, environmental violations, and misuse of power. These crimes hurt employees, customers, investors, governments, and society as a whole. The big question is, can systems like ISO standards actually reduce corporate crime, or are they just paperwork and certificates? Now, understanding corporate crime in simple terms. Corporate crime happens when an organization or its people break laws or ethical rules for profit, convenience, or survival. It can be intentional, like bribery or fraud, or unintentional, caused by weak controls and poor governance. Many corporate crimes do not happen overnight. They grow slowly because there are no clear rules, no accountability, and no system to detect wrongdoing early. This is where structured management systems become critical. Now, why corporate crime continues to exist? Corporate crime thrives in environments where leadership ignores ethics, controls are weak, employees are afraid to speak up, and compliance is treated as a formality. In many organizations, decisions are driven only by targets and profits, not by risk and responsibility. When processes are unclear and monitoring is poor, wrongdoing becomes easy and sometimes invisible. Preventing corporate crime requires more than good intentions. It requires strong systems. Now, what are ISO standards and why they matter? ISO standards are internationally recognized frameworks that help organizations manage risk, quality, safety, security, and ethics in a structured way. They define policies, responsibilities, procedures, controls, monitoring, audits, and continuous improvement. Unlike internal policies, ISO standards are independently audited, which creates accountability. ISO standards do not promise zero crime, but they aim to reduce opportunities for crime and detect issues early. Now, how ISO standards address the root causes of corporate crime? Corporate crime usually happens because of unclear authority, lack of checks and balances, poor documentation, and weak oversight. ISO standards focus exactly on these areas. They require organizations to define roles clearly, document processes, identify risk, implement controls, and review performance regularly. When systems are transparent and monitored, it becomes much harder to hide unethical behavior. Now, ISO 37001, Fighting Bribery and Corruption. One of the most direct ISO standards against corporate crime is ISO 37001, the Anti-Bribery Management System. This standard helps organizations identify bribery risk, control gift and hospitality, monitor third parties, train employees, and investigate suspicious activities. ISO 37001 does not just say do not bribe. It explains how to prevent bribery in daily operations. Many governments and regulators now recognize ISO 37001 as a strong evidence of anti-corruption commitment. Now, ISO 37301, Compliance Management as a Crime Prevention Tool. ISO 37301 focuses on compliance management systems. It helps organizations identify applicable laws, assign compliance responsibilities, monitor legal changes, and ensure adherence. Many corporate crimes happen simply because organizations do not track legal requirements properly. ISO 37301 builds a structured approach that reduces legal violations caused by ignorance, negligence, or poor coordination. Now, ISO 27001, Preventing Data Crimes and Cyber Fraud. In the digital age, corporate crime often involves data theft, cyber fraud, ransomware, and misuse of personal information. ISO 27001 provides a systematic approach to information security. It helps protect sensitive data, control access, detect breaches, and respond effectively. Many data-related crimes occur due to weak IT controls and human error, areas directly addressed by ISO 27001. Now, ISO 9001, reducing fraud through process control. At first glance, ISO 9001 appears to be a quality standard, not a crime prevention tool. But weak processes create opportunities for manipulation, falsification, and fraud. ISO 9001 promotes process clarity, documentation, internal audits, and accountability. When processes are standardized and monitored, it becomes harder to hide errors or manipulate records. Now, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001, preventing safety and environmental crimes. Corporate crime is not limited to money and data. Ignoring worker safety or environmental laws can also be criminal. ISO 45001 helps prevent workplace accidents by enforcing safety systems, while ISO 14001 helps control environmental risk. These standards require the risk of legal penalties, accidents, and reputational damage caused by negligence. Now, the role of leadership in ISO-based crime prevention. ISO standards strongly emphasize leadership commitment. Management is required to set ethical policies, assign responsibilities, provide resources, and review system performance. Corporate crime often starts at the top or is ignored by leadership. ISO standards force leadership to take ownership of ethics and compliance, not delegate them as low-priority tasks. Employee awareness and whistleblowing. Many corporate crimes are known by employees long before they become public scandals. ISO standards promote training, awareness, and communication. Some standards require reporting mechanisms and protection against retaliation. When employees understand the rules and feel safe to report issues, crimes are detected earlier and prevented from growing. Now, third parties and supply chain risk. A large portion of corporate crime happens through agents, vendors, consultants, and suppliers. ISO standards require due diligence, contractual controls, and monitoring of third parties. This reduces risk related to bribery, fraud, labor violations, and fake certifications within supply chains. Now we have internal audits, early warning systems. Internal audits are a powerful tool required by most ISO standards. Audits help identify gaps, non-compliance, and suspicious patterns before they turn into major crimes. Regular audits create discipline and discourage unethical behavior because people know systems are being checked. Can ISO standards completely eliminate corporate crime? The honest answer is no. No system can guarantee zero crime. However, ISO standards significantly reduce the likelihood, impact, and duration of corporate crime. They make wrongdoing harder to commit, easier to detect, and faster to correct. The goal is risk reduction, not perfection. Now, ISO standards versus cosmetic compliance. ISO standards only work when implemented sincerely. If organizations treat certification as a marketing tool, the system fails. Real crime prevention requires leadership integrity, employee involvement, and continuous improvement. ISO standards provide the framework, but people bring it to life. Regulators, codes, and ISO standards. Increasingly, regulators and courts consider ISO standards as evidence of due diligence. While certification does not provide immunity, it can demonstrate that an organization took reasonable steps to prevent wrongdoing. This can reduce penalties and improve credibility during investigations. Now have a look on the future. ISO standards and corporate ethics. As corporate crime becomes more complex and global, the demand for structured governance systems will grow. ISO standards will likely play a bigger role in ESG, compliance, and risk management. Organizations that adopt these systems early will be better prepared for stricter regulations and public scrutiny. Now, what organizations should do today? Organizations should identify key crime risks, select relevant ISO standards, train employees, conduct audits, and embed ethics into culture. ISO standards should not be isolated compliance projects. They should be integrated into everyday decision making. Can ISO standards reduce corporate crime? ISO standards cannot stop every crime, but they can dramatically reduce the chances of corporate wrongdoing. They replace chaos with structure, secrecy with transparency, and silence with accountability. In a world where trust is fragile, ISO standards offer organizations a practical way to protect themselves and society from corporate crime. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative content.